Alfa fans. I'm Cristo Manila from MACMAN Pro, and today I'll show you how to use MANCAN Tool to start your Alfa Romeo 159's engine via your smartphone. Let's do it. First of all, you need to install MANCAN Tool in your Alfa Romeo 159 or Brera. Use our OBD2 extender to best results and put the module in the OBD2 connector. You must be entered your key code provided by your car dealer. Watch the others' videos if you do not know how to install the module and the app. Close the lid. Put the key in the reader. Extract the hardware key for safety reasons if you lock the car via smartphone. Without pressing any pedals, press the start-stop button to turn off the mower. Put on parking or neutral gear position. Pull the handbrake lever for more safety. Find a box or stick strong enough and tall enough to push no more than 1 centimeter on the brake end or clutch pedal. Put your new best friend between the plastic and the pedal to make a pressure over the brake or clutch. Open the app on your smartphone, MANCAN Tool Smart Control, and find Start Engine function. Press it just one time and wait 5 seconds. If you want to turn off the engine, just tap on Stop Engine. I hope you enjoy our product. Subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram. You are welcome in our MANCAN Tool community, where you can meet other fans of Alfa Romeo and MANCAN Tool users.